Reach for your gun and you better listen well, my friend. You see, it's